MDHAND Office Desk Organizer and Accessories, Mesh Desk Organizer with 6 compartments plus drawer. Multifunction Desk Organizer, Office Desk Organizers and storage with 6 compartments of well-thought-out dimensions that will keep the stuff you need at hand while staying out of your way. Durable, sturdy, stylish material, the desk organizer is made of quality mesh metal, durable, compact and smart-looking, and will keep the stuff you need at hand while staying out of your way. Space saving, the desk drawer organizer is easy to keep pens, rules, scissors, books, files, paper clips, etc. all in one place. Also good for organizing makeups and small household items. Keep home office tidy, a desk organizer accessory for the office or home. With this desk organization and storage, keeping your home and office desk neat and clean. Dimensions: 8.6 x 5.7 x 5 inches, 24 x 14 x 12.5 centimeters. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will help you to solve it. Make sure you are satisfied. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.